The role of custom control panels in smart factory integration. Custom control panels are vital in the integration of smart factories, driving efficiency, automation, and innovation. These panels enable real-time monitoring and control, allowing immediate adjustments to optimize performance. They support advanced technologies like IoT and AI, enhancing connectivity and predictive maintenance. Energy management is another key role, as they monitor and adjust energy usage, integrating renewable sources to reduce waste. Safety and compliance are ensured through features like real-time alerts and regulatory monitoring. Additionally, custom control panels centralize data collection, supporting data-driven decision-making. Their adaptability and modular design facilitate scalability, allowing factories to evolve with technological advancements. In essence, custom control panels are the backbone of smart factories, enabling enhanced efficiency, sustainability, and innovation.